This video guide will furnish you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware that is called BoY. BoY is a new ransomware that may affect many computers all over the world today. This BoY is a ransomware. It encrypts files and damages them. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data can be opened easily without any complications. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they cannot use their data anymore. All these files would eventually be damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. So now you can see some consequences of the ransomware attack. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that the files have been encrypted and that you need to pay a special ransom to recover the files. However, paying the ransom is surely not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay the ransom ever. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus, install it, and then begin researching the system. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect your files from further ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. We recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your files always protected from further ransomware attacks. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished and you will see the summary of threats at the end of scan. Premium license is the best solution to keep your files protected.